Subsequent and simultaneous visuals that are coming in from different parts of the country as we continue to put forth with our armed forces joining in to thank and to pay gratitude to our unrelenting COVID warriors, from doctors to nurses to medical healthcare, our staff members and also our sanitation workers, all being thanked by a host of activities that has been planned through the day. From Srinagar, from Dal Lake, where we got those visuals, till Tiruvananthapuram, from Dibrugarh in Assam to Kutch in Gujarat, the Air Force, our fighter jets and transport planes are showing and showering petals on hospitals, places of national importance, while the Navy ship will be lit up today in a show of support and solidarity to our medical healthcare professionals and others who are involved in fighting this global pandemic. This is a very special gesture and a gratitude consisting of the Air Force conducting flypast across the length and the breadth of the country. As a special guest also continue to be with us, my colleague Richa also are joining us at this point in time. Lieutenant General Jaswal, if we are talking about this particular formations that have been made till now, can you help us explain them? We have seen such kind of fight blast and on such occasions like Republic Day, on Independence Day. This is absolutely unique, happening for the first time in Indian history.
Can I slightly deviate for a change? These formations I'm not being able to see on the screen very clearly, so I will not be able to comment on this. But notwithstanding, you used a word called Nazara Dekhne Ko Milega. This is exactly what I'm talking, that this is basically tantamounting to theatrics. I'm taking the liberty, General Sinha, I must really compliment, not this show, every time you give very mature and very focused response. I'm a bit of a maverick and I talk slightly differently. My point is, you're absolutely right. We have to support and respect the COVID warriors. There's no doubt about it. All of us are. I'm just trying to focus on the methodology of doing it. And this Nazara oblique theatrics, well, I seriously want to question it. I would request the anchor to cross her heart and think and just make a statement after this. What you saw amongst the public, wasn't it theatrics? Wasn't it theatrics? I think we should deviate from this. And today, through your medium, what General Sinha has also said, you know how many thousands and lakhs of people have got the message that we army respects the COVID warriors? There are our sentinels. How many people have been able to see the chopper or the flight? So is it really commensurate to the effort? The methodology of conveying is wrong. I wish the chiefs would have come and spoken for 5 minutes each as to how we stand together with the nation today to help them out, resource enrichment of the endeavor of the nation in terms of what we can do. We have donated, how these donations can be utilized for resource enrichment. My refuting is only on that issue. Otherwise, I salute wholeheartedly the effort of our COVID warriors, and I'm telling you, they're going far beyond their brief to save our countrymen. Hats off to you and my salutations.
All right, a different point of view there, sir, because there are, we have seen even at this point when the entire world is coming together, there are some people who are out there who continue to question our armed forces. And I'm sure, sir, you know through the time when we have seen the surgical strikes that have happened, whether it comes to the other attacks that have taken place and India's response to it. Yes, it's a symbolic gesture, nevertheless coming together at this point and from one warrior to the other warrior. We're talking about the doctors, the medical health workers who are out there. They are on the front line bearing the brunt of this pandemic, not thinking about their own selves, their families, but putting themselves in front of the people there who they continue to serve the country. I request our esteemed panelists to be with us. My colleague Richa will be with us as well as we continue to put forth those pictures coming in from different parts of the country. Short break, back with the latest.